Hello friends, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how we can install Mongo in Docker. Here you can see Mongo has not been installed. So for that, first of all, you have to install Mongo image. For that, go to your favorite browser and open this website hub.docker.com. Here in the search bar, you can type the name of the image that you want to install. Here, if you want to create an account, you can create it also, but if you don't want, it is not necessary. Here, if you want to install MySQL image, you can simply search MySQL. But here, if we want to install any other image, that also you can search like Redis. But here we want to install Mongo. So simply type Mongo and press enter. Here you will see many results like Mongo, Mongo Express. But here you can see that Docker official image. So this is the Docker official image of Mongo. Simply click on this. When you click this, here you will see a command docker pull Mongo. Simply click here to copy this command and then go to the terminal. In the terminal, you simply have to run this command. When you enter this command, then it will take some time to install this Mongo image. If you want to install a particular version, you can mention the version also. But if you don't want to mention the version, it will pick latest version by default. So that's why it is showing like using default tag latest. Here its size is 195 MB, so it will take some time. Let us wait for that. So now download process is completed. Here you can see the status downloaded newer image for Mongo latest. Now simply go to Docker again and here you can see Mongo latest has been installed. Now click on this run. Here you can do some optional setting also. Let us put the name here Mongo DB. It is the name of the container and let us put the port as 27017. Now simply click on this run. When you click on this run, you can see that MongoDB latest has started running. Here you will see all the images that is in the container. So if you want to pause it, simply click on this. If you want to stop it, click on this. If you want to start it, simply click on this. Now if you want to perform some operation, then simply click on this open in terminal. When you click this, a new terminal will open. Here, if you want to enter the Mongo shell, simply click Mongo sh. It will take you to the Mongo shell. Now, if you want to display all the databases, type so dbs. Here you can see three databases which are already there: admin, config and local. If we want to create our own database, for that we can simply type use mydb. Here mydb is the name of the database that we want to create. So if suppose mydb data has already been existed, then in that case it will simply switch to the database mydb. But if it is not already existed, in that case it will create that database mydb and then it will enter to that database. If we want to show all the collections, so for that, so collections, here you can see no collections are there, that's why it is empty. If you want to find all the users that is available for this database, for that you can simply db.get users. Here you will see all the users. You can see async function, API versions, return promise, server versions, topologies, and many things are here. Simply, if you want to find all the roles that are available for this database, you can simply type db.getRoles. Here you will see again this type of information. So in this video, I will not tell you in the details what is user and what is roles. In some other video, I will discuss that, because those are again a very vast topic. For now, you can simply know that is a very important concept in MongoDB. So this way we can perform some operation. Here one thing I would like to again tell you, that whenever we want to interact with some other third-party system like Redis, MySQL, Mongo, so in that case we need two things. One thing is the Mongo server, and second thing is the Mongo client. Mongo server, here I have started in the Docker, and Mongo client is in this terminal. So from this terminal, we send the request to this Mongo server, and it sends back the response. There is one more method to create Mongo client, that is, we can write our own code in any language. I've already shown how we can create Mongo client using Golang. So that's all for this video. I think this video will be helpful for you. Thanks.